Alright, so today we're going to be talking about rolling with the forearm muscles here. If you tend to get pain in the inside of your elbow or with gripping or anything like that, this will be a good one for you. If you get golfer's elbow as well, this is a good way to release those muscles in your elbow and forearm. You're going to need a foam roller and a table. You want to place the foam roller on the table there. You're going to start off like so, and as you push forward, you're going to twist your arms inwards. So forward and in, back and facing each other. Forward and in, back and facing each other. So forward, in, back. When you roll forward, try and get that inside of your elbow there. So all the way forward, and when you feel a tender spot, stop right there. Let it release a little bit, let it relax. It's very common to feel tenderness or discomfort. It's very normal, so nothing to be worried about there. If you do get any pain, stop straight away. If the pain persists, then seek your health professional. Thank you for watching.